Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove image background in Canva. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Search for Canva. Click Canva. Great. Here we have YouTube thumbnail. If you don't have here, just search for YouTube thumbnail. Yes, this one. Click Upload this. Upload file. For example, I bring this image. Open. Good. You can bring image to here. Good. Now, for example, I want to remove its background. Here we have background remover. You see, the background is removed. If you want to add text, for example, here you can bring any text. For example, I bring this one. Put the text wherever you want. You can change color of the text. For example, this color. Also, you can change color of the background. For background, click here which background you want. For example, this one, this one. Also, you can change the text up to yourself. For example, when you're happy with the image, you can download it from Share, download, download, name it. For example, reading. Okay, save. That's all. Have a nice time.